are you doing? And welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing reasons why your credit score is not increasing or why it keeps fluctuating. If you're having that problem, this is the video for you. Whether you're working on your credit with yourself or with help and you can't seem to pinpoint or figure out why your scores are not increasing, then this is the video for you. I'm going to be giving you the top 3 reasons of why your credit score is not increasing or why it keeps fluctuating. Okay, number 1, you've recently opened or closed an account. Anytime you open or close an account, it's going to affect your credit age. Your credit age is 10% of your credit score, which is roughly 55 points. So anytime you're opening an account or closing an account, you're shortening the length of that account. So it's going to cause a slight temporary decrease in your credit score. Number 2, any recent derogatory mark can jeopardize your credit scores and cause your scores to drop 50 to 100 points. And when I say any recent derogatory mark, I mean any late payments, a new collection, or charge-offs that are reporting CO monthly. Those are going to stop your credit scores from increasing. It's going to be beneficial not to get any late payments if you can help it. If you know you're going to be late, reach out to the lender and see if they have some type of program available that can assist you or maybe stop you from receiving a late payment. If you have charge-offs reporting and they're still inside of the statute of limitations, that account is reporting correctly and you know it's your account, reach out to the furnisher and try to make a settlement or pay for delete. That can stop that account from reporting CO each month and causing your credit scores to stay the same. Number 3, you guys, the one that everybody probably already knows, credit utilization. You guys, with your credit utilization, 30%, that's going to be the safety net. And when I say that, I mean if you have a credit card, let's just, to keep things simple, say your credit limit is $100. If more than $30 reports to the credit bureaus as your balance, your scores are gonna drop. If that's the only card that you have, it's gonna take your average credit utilization. But if you only have one credit card, your credit limit is $100, you should never let more than $30 report to the credit bureaus. If you're just starting to build your credit scores and you're wanting to get the most out of your credit utilization, you want to get the most out of that category, you're going to want to keep your balances below 10%, but greater than 0%. You're going to need something reporting. Having a $0 balance reporting to the credit bureaus, that's not going to help your scores. So you're gonna want to have your balances below 10% of your credit limit, but above 0%. So you guys, those are 3 reasons. Number 1, if you open or close an account, that can hurt your scores. Number 2, recent derogatories. That's also gonna hurt you. And number 3, which is the biggest, is your credit utilization. Credit utilization is the quickest and fastest way to increase or decrease your credit scores. The way you handle your credit cards is over 65% of your credit scores. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you want to know how to repair your credit reports on your own, check out our video on how to increase your credit scores fast. Until next time, see you later, you guys.